Changing a battery on 2017 Ford Escape. First thing you have to do is you have to take these plastic caps off of the, they just pull right off of the windshield wipers, and this 15mm bolt. Take both windshield wipers. Next you have to take off these 2mm bolts. These were not even tight in this one. There's two, one on either side. Take both of those out. You get both off. Should be able to just gently pull up all the way across to loosen this top black cowl piece off. There's little tabs you can put a screwdriver into to help you if they get kind of stubborn. Once you get that top cowl piece off, there's two T25 torque screws holding on this brake reservoir right here. Take those out. And then there's two singular 10mm bolts, the ones that are actually on the black cowl piece. One on that side. One right there. Once you take those two 10 mils out, this just pulls straight out. Then you have access to the battery cover, which just simply pulls right off. And you've got a 10mm bolt for positive and negative. Right back there. Now, after you get those terminals off, finally, there are two more 10mm bolts holding this strap on both sides here.